Hey everyone, welcome back to Page to Plate. Today we'll be highlighting a famous celebrity who you may not realize is also an amazing cook and baker, Taylor Swift. People magazine published all of Taylor's favorite recipes into a special edition, and her chai sugar cookie recipe is the one we are most excited to make. There are many more of her recipes we want to try, so subscribe to our channel if you're interested in watching us recreate more of her dishes. To start, place butter into a standing mixer bowl and beat on medium speed for 1 minute. Add the vegetable oil to the bowl. Sift in the granulated sugar and powdered sugar. Open a bag of chai tea and put the contents into the bowl. Beat well to combine. Add in the egg and vanilla. Sift in the flour, baking soda, and salt. Place your dough in the fridge for 1 hour or the freezer for 15 minutes. Measure out the tablespoon-sized balls of dough and place each ball about 2 inches apart on the baking sheet. Press down on the dough balls with your fingers until the dough is about 1/4 of an inch thick. Sprinkle with sugar. Bake at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Once they are cooked, allow the cookies to cool for an additional 10 minutes before transferring to a cooling rack. While the cookies are in the oven, make the glaze. Whisk together powdered sugar, nutmeg, and eggnog or milk into a medium bowl. Drizzle the glaze over the cookies in a zigzag pattern and dig in. Enjoy Taylor Swift's chai sugar cookies. The list of ingredients are in the description below. Happy cooking, chefs!